Updating your payment information on Yahoo Mail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Mail login page. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access account info. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select account info to navigate to your account settings. Step 3. Go to payment options. In the account info section, look for the payment options or subscriptions tab. Click on it to view your current payment information and subscription details. Step 4. Update payment details. Locate the option to edit or update your payment information. Enter your new payment details, such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Make sure to double-check the information for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, look for the Save or Update button and click it to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Yahoo Mail.